Hello, this is Cara, and I have another digital junk journal to share. This kit is available in my Etsy shop, and today is Thursday, February 4th, I think, 3rd. And I will have a sale running for the next, a 50% off sale running for the next, I don't know, 4 days or so. So if you want to grab this kit, right now it will be on sale. So this is going up Thursday. I think it's the 3rd or the 4th. And I'll basically run it from now and through the weekend, through like up to Tuesday, however many days that is. Oh my gosh. So this has, I think, 23 pages. It's a pretty hefty kit. And the idea came from my Facebook group. I put a poll in the Facebook group and said, what kind of journal would you guys like to see next? And a honeybee and lavender kit was the big winner. So that's the one I spent the last several days working on, and it's ready. Okay, so here's the first page. And this can be a journal page, or you could use it as a journal cover and then, you know, layer goodies on top of it. And then that could be like the back cover, kind of fun. But this could also just be a regular journal page as well. There are, besides that one, there are 10 other journal pages. So like I said, it's a pretty big kit. There's this one with the honey jars and some ads. And some flowers and this really fun lavender color background. And then this one with some lined paper and the honeybees and a honeybee house. That's not what it's called. And here's another one. I love this image with the honeybees. This is on just regular old paper. So this isn't on my fancy paper, but I printed it and it looked, you know, like this one you can kind of tell it's on the fancy paper. But to show you that it looks good on the other paper too. And here's this one. I just love when you have this. Isn't that so pretty? This, when you have the page folded, love it. And there's big bumblebees hanging out. And this one is similar, but this one has some big hexagons to kind of give it a fun, different look. And there's the honeybees hanging out on the flower. And then this one is, oh, am I even in frame? Oh my goodness, make sure. Did you see these? Okay, I think I'm in frame now. I'm just gonna go back up for 1 second so you can see these, because I might have been off the camera because I scooted in my I brought it down so you could get a good look, so I do apologize. All right, make sure again. All right, I'm good. So this one is a different one that I've done before. It has the ephemera the ephemera that I like to do, but in a different way. And I thought this would be kind of a fun one that you could fold up, and then this could be like a pocket, right? Isn't that fun? Or you, of course, could have it just like this as a journal page and then still have room down here for a pocket. And same with here, you would just cover this up a little bit. But I thought that was kind of a fun thing since this is at the top. Or you could just cut the strip off and then this could be a belly band. And of course you could even just cut out these images and have more ephemera. Anyway, all right, so here's this one. Has a stamped background and these lavender floral flowers. And this, I use this flower a lot because I just love it. There's another one with a lined background for some journaling. And then there's this one, a lavender field with the little itty bitty bees. And here's a close-up of the lavender field with some fun kind of watercolor texture background. And then there's this one that has faint bumblebees going throughout in kind of a random pattern. And this is, okay, so now we're in, so that was the 10 junk journal pages. These are now the 5 journal backgrounds. So again, you would print this, and then on your printer, you could go back and do a double-sided print. So then, yeah. These would also be good for backing tags or collage. You know, you could rip them and add them into other things. This one would also be fun for home decor. If you cut it out, put it in the back of a frame, and then had something on top of it. I think that'd be fun. Here's this one with a large honeycomb pattern. And then it also has the grungy watercolor that I love. And here's this one with larger bees and honeycomb. And then there's this one with the floral-y background in the purple. And this was my daughter's idea. She's like, Mom, put the bee really big in the middle of the honeycomb. So this was hers, and I love how it turned out. It was a really good idea she had. I love it. And then this is super cool. She's like, because then when you fold it in half, you'll see half the bee. Isn't that a fun page? I dig it. It would also be fun to kind of fussy cut out and then add it to a page or a cover. All right, so now we're into some ephemera. There are 3 ephemera pages. So that's a few more, well, 1 or 2 more than I normally do. So this one, you can layer on to here, and same with this journaling card you can layer on. And then they fit in here. But of course you don't have to do the layering. I left this one pretty plain so you could embellish it and add some extra goodies on top. But you could also put that on top. And here's ephemera page, what is it, 2? So here's a lot of the icons and the fun things that I use throughout the kit. Some bees that you can fussy cut, and some lavender labels that can be used. And here's the next ephemera page, more bees. They're a different style than this one, so those can be fussy cut. And then some hexagon labels, as well as some more traditional, you know, labels. And then here is a collage sheet. Recently, with the collab that I've been doing with Dear Julie, people have really liked the collage sheets that I've been adding in those kits, so I added one in this kit. And the fun thing is, this could be a journal page, right? Or you could cut out and use the different pieces. You could rip this and then use it in a new collage with bits and pieces from the kit as well. So again, lots of options, right? And then we have a couple tag sheets. So here's the large tags here, and I left this one in plain so you can add some more embellishing, and then also this one. And I added some embellishing here, but you could of course embellish this. Now this is copy paper for the tags. I would recommend printing them on cardstock so they're thicker, or if you were to do this, then you would want to back them in something thicker. And then, like I've been doing, here are all the tags, but in a smaller size. So that is the Honeybee and Lavender digital kit. And again, it is available now, and it will be 50% off through, what did I say, Tuesday? Yes, lots of fun to play with, lots of fun, kind of springy, gardeny vibes going on. So there you go. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to join my Facebook group. Tomorrow is Free Bee Friday, so Free Bee Friday. So I'll be back doing a project for that tomorrow. And go ahead, and that's how you can get the freebies, is from my Facebook page. So you want to go ahead and join. And all right, I'll see you soon. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.